Burst, burst. To break open suddenly. The balloon burst when it touched the sharp edge. Splinter, splinter. A small, sharp piece that breaks off from wood or other materials. I got a splinter from the wooden bench. Cracked, cracked. Having a small break or line. The vase is cracked after it fell off the shelf. Demolish, demolish. To completely destroy a building or structure. They plan to demolish the old factory next week. Split, split. To break or divide into parts. The log split in half when I hit it with the axe. Fracture, fracture. A break in a bone or hard material. He had a fracture in his arm from the fall. Destroy, destroy. To ruin completely. The fire destroyed the entire building. Rupture, rupture. To break or burst suddenly. The pipe ruptured and caused a flood. Wreck, wreck. To cause serious damage or destruction. The storm wrecked several boats in the harbor. Chipped, chipped. Having a small piece broken off. The plate is chipped at the edge. Ruined, ruined. Damaged so badly that it cannot be used or fixed. The food was ruined after being left out too long. Scratched, scratched. Marked with a thin line or cut. The table is scratched from years of use. Crushed, crushed. Pressed or squeezed so hard that it breaks. The can was crushed after being stepped on. Ripped, ripped. Torn apart or damaged. My shirt is ripped at the seam. Shattered, shattered. Broken into many small pieces. The glass was shattered after it fell from the counter. Broken, broken. Not working or damaged beyond repair. My phone is broken, it won't turn on. Smashed, smashed. Completely crushed or destroyed. The car was smashed in the accident. Cracked. Cracked. Having a small break or line. The vase is cracked after it fell off the shelf. Damaged. Damaged. Harmed or impaired in some way. The book was damaged by water and had pages stuck together. Overturned. Overturned. Turned upside down or inside out. The boat was overturned by the strong waves.